Okay, number 24, I just put the paper up here because I'm not going to copy all this, but it says write a quadratic equation. So that means we're going to have like x squared plus x plus some number here. Okay, quadratic equation that equals something. That has integer coefficients, which means they're numbers, okay, and has the solutions 1/4 and -3. So let's start with the solutions because it meant that x had to equal 1/4 and x had to equal -3. And if you take the answer and you back it up, 1's being divided by 4. So I can take it back a step because we want to get down to where it says something equals 0. The last two problems we worked on, you know, we started with equals 0 and then we found out what x was. So we're working backwards now. So since it's being divided by 4, let's multiply by 4. So it's going to say 4x equals 1. And then to make this equal 0, we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. So we'd say 4x minus 1 equals 0. So now we know that one of our sets is 4x minus 1. Over here, if we want this to equal 0, we're going to add 3 to both sides. So now it's x plus 3 equals 0. So now we have our two sets, but they want it to be a quadratic. So we're going to take these two sets and we're going to multiply them by FOIL. 4x squared plus 12x minus 1x minus 3. And then combine our like terms. So we have 4x squared plus 11x minus 3. That's the quadratic equation. Oh, needs to say equals 0 because it's an equation, not an expression. So we make sure we write it that way.